All right, go ahead.
Got electromagnetic induction by me. So what is it? Well, okay, it's not an energy source. I'll start it with that.
Fail.
It's a
I allowed. I gave
magnet's
permission.
ability to create a field inside a conductor. So you get a coil, you shove a magnet through there, and it makes electricity, pretty much. It's like the basis of most ways we create energy. Solar energy does not use this at all, but basically everything else. So yeah, this is my little picture, little diagram. You know, you put the magnet through the metal coil, and the way everything works, you know, it creates electricity.
How does it work?
I forget exactly.
Isn't there like a thing where you put a battery and then a magnet on the end, and it like that coil will go red hot?
Yeah.
Basically, it is confusing, but when we call like radiation, like light or electricity, it's actually called electromagnetic radiation because there's whatever electric field, there's also a magnetic field. So there's either way. If you take a electric wire, like there's an electric wire in your house, and there's electricity going through it. If you put like a compass up next to it, it'll turn because any electricity, any electrons moving through a wire produces a magnetic field around it. The key is what you're talking about is the cool thing is the reverse happens. I can have a single electric wire and I can just take a magnet and kind of move it back and forth along the wire. That'll make the electrons move. So either way, it's the reverse. But what you're saying here is all your sources of energy generally are going to make magnets move in electric wires to produce the electricity.
Yeah, I'll get to that right
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
So with nuclear,
Sorry, I just gave your speech. Fine.
yeah, they use the chemical reactions inside the fuel rods to heat up water. So like, you know how you see the power plants? This is actually just steam from all the water getting heated up. So the steam rises, of course, and just spins a turbine. You know, turbines work, they spin, they make the thing move. I'll show you the next slide. But so this spins here, the dams, water goes, it spins another thing, and with biofuel, they burn stuff, heats up water, steam rises, and it spins again. So basically everything's spinning.
But on the last one, you're burning hydrocarbons.
Yeah.
So you're putting some carbon dioxide in there. The other ones,
Yeah, the
They're
other
not.
ones are
Yeah.
clean. Friendly. We don't like biofuel. So this is kind of how it works. This is the turbine I was mentioning, and it spins the magnet inside the coil, and then the coil comes and it makes electricity. And that's it. That's all I have. These are my sources.
okay. So I allowed him to do this because it's not technically an energy source. We discussed this, but I allowed him to do it because that's how all your energy sources are eventually going into electricity, right? So that's the whole point of all those things. And so really, all your energy sources are trying to rotate a magnet in a coil so that it generates the electricity. Okay? So I thought it'd be good to see that particular thing.
Yeah.
Okay, any questions of him? Okay, nice job. Interesting. Get some